Hello, Professor. This is Lab 5. Uh, I want to quickly run this. So I have this graphic user interface here. I already have a few records here. Let's run the players. Yes. Let's go for new one. I don't have two. Okay. Player ID 2, first name Farzane, last name Heydari, address 87 North York, postal code M 7 J8, province Ontario, phone number 647-897. Add record success. I have a few records, let's say 18. Save. It's saved. Game ID. Game ID, let's search for game ID. 4, for example. I don't have 4 here. Game name, basketball, football. Let's say volleyball. Add record success. Here I have the problem. Unfortunately, I can't solve it. Player game ID. Let's say player game ID. It's empty in my database. Actually, I already create all my tables in the SQL. It's empty, but for some reason I don't know why I couldn't add these records. Let's say to game ID, for example. I had a game ID here. Game ID, let's say 1. Player ID, for example. Player ID, let's say 10. Playing date, let's say this date, score 20, but the add record is not working. Select ID, it's not displaying here. The problem should be here. In this, I already created this query here, but as you mentioned, I thought the date format supposed to be different in SQL development, but I run the date format and I noticed this is the correct way, and this is already set up in SQL and this is correct. So I don't know, the problem is here. Split into the assignment and method contracts. I'm not familiar honestly with these two, but this way doesn't work either. Let's stop and run it again. Player, let's say game ID 2, game ID 10, player ID like 4, it's 7, score 20. No, I get this error. The problem is here, I don't know, maybe my query is wrong. I don't know why it's giving me the error. The query statement is correct and everything is correct. I don't know. Again, thank you for your help. I really appreciate since these 7 days. You really helped me, Professor, and also I'm really thank you and thank the Cepida. Today we were in meeting more than 7 and 8 hours. We could have helped each other when we did. I really thank you and also thank the Cepida. Thank you. Have a good day.